Jawa 353, Yezdi D250 and Yezdi Road King. Yes, these are the different types of Jawas and Yezdis which were produced, and I have covered the A type, I haven't done the B type, I've covered the C type and the D type, and today in this video what I'm going to show you guys is a B type Yezdi. I'll see you guys right after this intro video to tell you more about that. Wow, and welcome back to another brand new episode of Never Out of Fashion on Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish. And today I have the B type Yezdi 250cc, and this is a 1980 model. So this SD is a 250cc mated with 4-speed gearbox and produces a max of 13 horsepower at 4,750 rpm and a max torque of 2.1 kgm at 3,500 rpm. And this is an air-cooled motorcycle. So let's get a little up close and personal and tell you a little more about this motorcycle. And thanks to my friend Ajay who gave me an opportunity to shoot this motorcycle. And if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon to make sure you get an update on every video I post. And now let's get a little close with this motorcycle. So as usual, let's start from the handlebar, and this is a 1980 motorcycle kept in stock condition as you see, and that's the original Odo. And this motorcycle has clocked in more than 2 lakh kilometers by the original owner of this motorcycle. And coming on to the key, so this has 4 different motions. So now it's out, which is off, you push it in, that's on, then you have turn 1 which is parking light, turn 2 is your headlight, and 3 that goes to your battery start. So that's when you have cold region when you want to do it in a battery start. Back to the handlebar, to your left hand side there's horn and dim and dip. That's it, very basic, no indicators on this unit. And similarly coming on to your right hand side, you just have the throttle, nothing goes in there. And this motorcycle is quick and fast. This can go a top speed of 110 kilometers. And as you see, it is in complete stock condition. They came with this flower head, which I'm not too sure if they had any functional utility, but then if I'm not wrong, they didn't have any functional utility, but then it's more for the aesthetic of the motorcycle. And this is your petrol on and off, and you have your choke to pump before you start. And like all the other Jawa and HD motorcycle, both the front and the rear tires are of the same radius, so that you can interchange them, use them as you like. And let's check out the kicker. As usual, it doubles up as a kicker and a gear shifter. So you push this in and get that out. So now you're ready to start your motorcycle. Push it back, and then there you have the regular gear shifter. And coming on to the mileage of this motorcycle gives you an average mileage anything between 25 to 30 kilometers. That's the maximum mileage that this motorcycle gives you. And if you look at the front, the mudguard, this has a complete big solid mudguard compared to the next generation, which is the Classic or the Road King, which is metallic as well. So you have a little changes there. Then this is additional, the crash guard. And then if you go on to your other side, so additionally there is this key which has been installed here. So normally they don't come with any locking system, so they've just installed a locking system to have any kind of storage kept in there. Otherwise you just have a screw, turn this around, and this can be opened. And another thing is this chain concealment. So how you loop the chain here is because when you ride the motorcycle, the oil from this engine drops into your chain, which is this, and loops the chain. So there is no need of looping your chain separately. That was the technology used in this motorcycle in the 80s itself, way before. And let's have a look of this motorcycle from the front view. This looks stunning even today, after 30-40 years. Even today this is brilliant, looks amazing, is in stock condition. And I'm gonna ride this as well and tell you how this motorcycle rides even after 40 years. And also coming back to the exhaust system, so the exhaust, like every other Yezdi or the Jawa, this comes with a double barrel exhaust system. So let's start this motorcycle and hear how this motorcycle sounds. So that was the sweet sound of this two-stroke machine, and let's take this machine for a spin now. So let's ride this beautiful Yezdi B Type 250cc two-stroke machine and tell you how does it ride even today in this era. Single kick start even today after 40 years. Wow. And let's tell you guys how this motorcycle performs even today in 2020, and is it a viable motorcycle to have. You would probably complain about braking, given that today in this condition you have ABS and then you have EBD and you have so many other kind of braking system and disc brakes and all those things. They are top drum brakes which used to come for all two-stroke motorcycles. And if you were to compare that with the current age one, you may not be too happy. But then if you keep your comparison, which is apple to apple, on a drum brake to a drum brake kind of a scenario, this is doing a very good job. Rides so good. I just don't know what is it about the two-stroke. I think it's just the beat that really gives you the adrenaline rush when you ride such kind of motorcycle. And it is a pure joy for every rider to ride such motorcycles, and that's why you can see so many of them even today after 30, 40 or 50 years of the motorcycle being manufactured and not being produced anymore. But then there are people who would want to keep this and cherish it even today. And the joy of riding these motorcycles are absolute experience. I can only tell you guys to try it on and experience it. I can go on talking, but then that will not give you the kind of experience what you will get when you ride one of these. And these are absolute brilliant. The sitting position is so comfortable. There is so much of power in this motorcycle. This could do 110 kilometers per hour, and it's so easy to maneuver this motorcycle. It's time to get back home, and I will see you guys back at home. See you guys. And that's all I had to talk about this B-Type HD motorcycle. And if you haven't seen the other series of A-Type or C-Type or the D-Type of Yezdi and Jawa, here's a card. Check out that and you will get to know the other types of Jawas and HDs which were there. And that's it. I'm gonna say ciao for now. I had a lot of fun bringing this video to you guys. Comment below and tell what other motorcycle which is two strokes and are from the 80s or the 70s which you would love to see on this channel, and I will try to get them on this channel. And until the next video, I'm gonna say ciao, bye bye.